Hi, and welcome to Happy Kitty Kitchen. Today we are venturing into the beautiful world of Thai cuisine and making Thai green curry paste from scratch. You can easily buy Thai green curry paste from the supermarket, but fresh is always better. You get to be in control of the flavors and the spiciness of the paste, and it tastes so much better than the ones in jars. Detailed ingredients are in the description box and at the end of the video for you to screen capture as usual. Let's start out by toasting white peppercorns, cumin seeds, and coriander seeds. If you don't have white peppercorns, just skip it. The cumin and the coriander is what's essential anyway. Then, for our lemongrass, we'll have to remove the bottom bits of the lemongrass and the darker green parts from the top of the lemongrass to end up with the parts that I have shown you here, and cut them into small circles and then set them aside. After that, we'll start taking off the peels of the kaffir limes and then set the peel aside. Don't throw the limes, we're going to use that later to make a refreshing drink. Now that our seeds are toasted, we're going to transfer them to a mortar and start grinding them until they become a nice powder like what I have here. And now introducing this beautiful root called galangal, which is closely related to ginger and very similar, but even better. It's like the upgraded, hotter cousin of ginger. That was so lame. Anyway, I thought I loved ginger until I met this beauty. It's spicier, has a wonderful distinct smell, almost like perfume, and I urge you to taste it raw, but take the tiniest little bite, and it is going to burn, but not for too long. But it's just good to get an idea of how it tastes and understand that flavor more. Cut it like I did and set it aside. Moving on to the part that scares me a bit, the green chilies. I strongly advise that you always wear gloves when handling hot chili peppers, and if you don't have gloves, rub your hands in olive oil or any vegetable oil just to create a protective barrier on your skin before touching them. Because touching peppers then accidentally touching your eyes or face is a very unpleasant experience. If you don't want your curry paste to be too spicy, remove the seeds from the chilies like I did, or just use less chili peppers than I did. But keep in mind that this is a curry paste after all, and is still going to be spicy at the end of the day because of the galangal and the chili. From the other essential ingredients in this curry are coriander roots. And don't worry if you couldn't find this. I understand that a lot of supermarkets sell the bunch of coriander with the roots already cut off, so you can just substitute with actual coriander. Then we'll drop in our shallots, peeled and pretty, our garlic cloves, kaffir lime leaves and kaffir lime peels, which smell heavenly, our galangal, our lemongrass, and I'm just quickly going to process everything to make space for the rest of the ingredients. Again, if you're scared to make it too spicy, you don't have to add all those chilies, and at the end of the day, you control the spice by determining how much or how little of the chilies and the galangal you want to add. To make the paste greener, add in a small bunch of coriander. Don't forget to throw in those spices we toasted, and do not forget salt. I didn't show it here, but I did add salt into the whole paste. And process everything some more. We are going to be adding in water, so don't worry if it looks a bit too dry. And again, if you want to dilute the spiciness, add more water than what I wrote in the ingredients list. Some people also add fish sauce in their green curries, but if you want to keep it purely vegetarian, skip that. Because I did, and it still tasted incredible. Blend until you've got a similar consistency as mine, and you're done. Give it a taste, of course, and alter to your liking. Put it in a jar and keep it refrigerated if you're going to use it in the following week or two, or put it in ice cube trays and keep it in the freezer if you want it to last longer. And as for myself, I keep it in the freezer for 3 months and not longer than that. Thanks for watching the video and making it this far. I hope it was helpful to you, and as usual, have a great day from Happy Kitty Kitchen. Bye!